Welcome back to ABCD Trade Review. I'm Diana, your trader and analyst. A world markets roundup for July 11, 2026, UK, Europe, and Asia, the global headlines that matter, and how they can impact India, plus stocks like MAZDA, NIITLTD, JAYBARMARU, Datamatics. Around the world this week, UK FTSE 100 to 1.46%, Germany DAX minus 2.01%, Japan Nikkei minus 0.26%, Hong Kong HSI plus 4.86%, US S&P 500 plus 1.23%, US Nasdaq plus 0.93%. UK, Europe, and Asian cues set the tone for our open, and a risk-on or risk-off mood overseas spills straight into Indian equities. Here's the sector read-through. Strong U.S. tech lifts our IT names. Firmer crude helps upstream oil but hurts OMCs, paints, and aviation. A softer dollar and higher gold support metals and jewelry. And global risk-off pressures high beta and small caps first. I'll flag which sectors each headline hits. Now the headlines that can move the market. 1. Indian shares set to open higher, TCS in focus after revenue beat. 2. Indian shares set to open lower as US-Iran tensions lift oil prices. 3. India's trend heads for biggest one-day loss in a year on quarterly revenue miss. 4. Indian shares set to extend gains on pre-earnings updates, foreign buying. 5. Indian shares stage partial rebound, Mideast tensions cap gains. 6. Indian shares outperform Asia as oil drops, IT rebounds. Watch how these themes play out and manage your risk. Why it's on the list. It's up plus 3.06% today on 0.1 times its average volume. The trend is sideways. RSI has room to run before it's overbought. Price is holding above its 200-day average. Exactly the momentum profile we hunt for. MAZDA rose plus 3.06% on light volume, 0.1x average. The move looks driven by momentum and industrials flows. Technically, the trend is sideways. RSI is 48 neutral. Support sits near 193.25 rupees and resistance near 274.03 rupees. On fundamentals, it's industrials name, market cap 4.85 billion rupees, PE around 18, revenue growth plus 22%, profit margin plus 13%. Short term, it's below the 274.02 rupees entry, minus 11.61%. Target 1 at 411.03 rupees is plus 70% away, and target 2 at 548.04 rupees about plus 126%. Watch 274.02 rupees as the line in the sand. Over the next month, expect it to oscillate roughly between 229.49 rupees and 274.03 rupees unless it breaks out. Across a one-year horizon, its range has been 161.12 rupees to 303.86 rupees, and it's near the 57% mark of that band. Long-term view. The structure is constructive above the 200-day average, so the approach is to accumulate on dips towards support and hold while that level holds. A decisive break below it would be the exit cue. Here's the plan. Possible entry is near 274.02 rupees. Book partial profit and exit sum at target 1, 411.03 rupees, then the rest toward target 2, 548.04 rupees. Keep a stop loss at 193.25 rupees. If it closes below that, the setup has failed, so exit and protect your capital. If this breakdown on MAZDA helped, hit like and subscribe. Join our free Telegram for real-time entry and exit alerts, link in the description, and comment your own target for MAZDA below. Why it's on the list. It's up plus 1.18% today on 0.3 times its average volume. The trend is uptrend. RSI has room to run before it's overbought. Price is holding above its 200-day average. Exactly the momentum profile we hunt for. NIITLTD rose plus 1.18% on light volume, 0.3x average, with news in focus. NIITLTD, VM 500304, Q3 2026 earnings call highlights. Strategic AI integration and revenue. Technically, the trend is uptrend. RSI is 46, neutral, support sits near 61.80 rupees and resistance near 107.33 rupees. On fundamentals, it's a consumer defensive name, market cap 13.78 billion rupees, PE around 252, revenue growth plus 16%, profit margin plus 1%. Short term, it's below the 110.59 rupees entry, minus 8.83%. Target 1 at 165.88 rupees is plus 65% away, and target 2 at 221.18 rupees about plus 119%. Watch 110.59 rupees as the line in the sand. Over the next month, expect it to oscillate roughly between 87.27 rupees and 107.33 rupees unless it breaks out. Across a one-year horizon, its range has been 50.38 rupees to 126.67 rupees, and it's near the 66% mark of that band. Long-term view. The structure is constructive above the 200-day average, so the approach is to accumulate on dips towards support and hold while that level holds. A decisive break below it would be the exit cue. Here's the plan. Possible entry is near 110.59 rupees. Book partial profit and exit sum at target 1, 165.88 rupees, then the rest toward target 2, 221.18 rupees. Keep a stop loss at 61.80 rupees. If it closes below that, the setup has failed, so exit and protect your capital. Like and subscribe for more setups like NIITLTD. Jump into our free Telegram in the description for live entry and exit alerts, and tell me in the comments what you do with NIITLTD. Why it's on the list. It's up plus 0.34% today on 0.9 times its average volume. The trend is uptrend. Price is holding above its 200-day average, exactly the momentum profile we hunt for. JAYBARMARU rose plus 0.34% on roughly average volume. The move looks driven by momentum and consumer cyclical flows. Technically, the trend is uptrend. RSI is 72. Overbought. Support sits near 85.54 rupees and resistance near 187.77 rupees. On fundamentals, it's a consumer cyclical name, market cap 20.33 billion rupees, PE around 14, revenue growth plus 25%, profit margin plus 6%. Short term, it's above the 187.41 rupees entry, plus 0.19%. Target 1 at 281.12 rupees is plus 50% away, and target 2 at 374.82 rupees about plus 100%. Watch 187.41 rupees as the line in the sand. Over the next month, expect it to oscillate roughly between 144.66 rupees and 187.77 rupees unless it breaks out. Across a one-year horizon, its range has been 71.15 rupees to 187.77 rupees, and it's near the 100% mark of that band. Long-term view. The structure is constructive above the 200-day average, so the approach is to accumulate on dips towards support and hold while that level holds. A decisive break below it would be the exit cue. Here's the plan. Possible entry is near 187.41 rupees. Book partial profit and exit sum at target 1, 281.12 rupees, then the rest toward target 2, 374.82 rupees. Keep a stop loss at 85.54 rupees. If it closes below that, the setup has failed, so exit and protect your capital. Enjoying the analysis? Subscribe and hit the bell. Join our free Telegram below for entry and exit alerts, and drop your view on JAYBARMARU or any stock you want me to cover next in the comments. Keep an eye on global cues, they drive our open. Like and subscribe for more. This is for education purposes only, not financial advice. Trade safe. And here's what I want from you. Comment below where you think these stocks are headed next. Drop the future price you expect for any of them. Also tell me which ticker you want me to analyze next, and I'll share its entry, targets, levels, and full details in an upcoming video. And to get real-time entry and exit alerts the moment they happen, join our free Telegram channel. The link is in the description below.